It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, memory steering wheel settings, and V6 engine. Cars Direct proclaims the GLE's beautifully crafted interior leaves you wanting for nothing. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.